Who doesn't like cheesy crock-pot pasta? That's what I'm making on Cooking with Amanda M. So we're gonna start off by chopping up a quarter of a yellow onion, dicing up 1 garlic clove and a quarter of a chorizo. You can use as much chorizo as you like. I'm only using that much because I don't want my pasta to come out too greasy. Then on medium-high heat, saute the chorizo just a bit so it doesn't get too cooked. And then with that grease, you're gonna add the onions and lastly the garlic. Saute them for 30 seconds. You don't want them to overcook. Set that pan aside and grab your crock pot. You're gonna add some Pam to the bottom so your chicken breasts don't stick. And place your chicken breast in there and you're gonna add salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning to both sides of the chicken breast. For this dish, I'm using Prego meat flavored. I love this pasta sauce. You can use any that you like, but this is my go-to sauce. And then I'm just adding everything that I sauteed and I'm mixing that up. You're gonna cook it on high for 2 hours. Now, my chicken breasts are really thin. That's why I'm cooking it for 2 hours. If you have thicker chicken breast, you might wanna cook it for 2.5 hours or even 3. At the 2-hour mark, I begin to cook my pasta, so I add extra virgin olive oil and some salt to the boiling water, and I let them cook for about 10 minutes. As the pasta cooks, I turn the heat to low on the crock pot and I shred the chicken. The pasta's finally done, so I add it to the crock pot and I mix everything together. You can top it off with your favorite kind of cheese, but I'm using mozzarella. And then I close it so that it melts. And I'm a total cheese lover, so I went ahead and I added some Parmesan cheese to it. And that's it, another easy recipe to add to your menu. Remember, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see upcoming recipes on Cooking with Amanda M.